All right, so the biggest thing about pyramids and cones is that instead of using the height, we use something called the slant height. I wish I had a pyramid or a cone. All right, well, your slant height is going to be the height, so your height goes from the vertex straight down to the bottom. Okay, where your slant height is the distance on the side. Okay, so it's not slanted on your slanted side, it's your slant height. That makes sense? Okay, kind of, sort of. When we have some more time, I'll go in and grab a pyramid out of the office. Okay, so 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. Okay, so that's kind of the same thing as when we did a prism, right? Except for now you're going slant height and it's just half of it. Okay, plus how many bases do you have in a pyramid? You just have one base, so it's plus the area of the base. Okay, when we had prisms and cylinders, how many bases did we have? We had 2 bases. That's why we had to multiply it by 2, because there was 2. But now there's only 1, so we're just going to add 1 base. Okay, so in this picture, what is the perimeter of my base? 32. What is my slant height? 11.7. What is the area of my base? 64. All right. So we're going to put, those are the pieces of information that we need in order to do this. So 1/2 times my perimeter times my slant height plus the area of my base. Okay. So do this part in front first. Take 32 times 11.7 and divide it by 2. You get 187.2, and then add your base to it. Plus 64. Your surface area is 251.2. And I'm labeling it meters squared. Yep. Well, yeah. Multiplying it by 1/2 or dividing by 2 because it's the same thing. Okay. I can't believe that we're having this issue again. Okay, all right, so number 2, okay, 1/2 times the perimeter of my base, 20, times my slant height, 7.4, plus the area of my base, 25. Okay, so take your 20 times 7.4 and divide it by 2. We get all I want is this front part. 74 even? Yeah. Plus, and then plus our 25. Our area is 99 inches squared. Not too bad, right? Okay, we need to look at number 3. Okay, and the reason why we need to look at number 3 is, do they give us slant height? No, they give us the height. Okay, but if I draw this guy, I now have a what? What kind of a triangle? A right triangle. And all I know is that it's a right triangle. Okay, I know that this is 3. What's this? 8. Okay, my slant height is going to be this guy. Okay. So put the figure in 0. So 3 squared is 9 plus 64 equals c squared. So 73 equals c squared. And what is my slant height? 8.5. So my slant height is 8.5. So sometimes you're going to have to find your own slant height. Okay, and how you do that is put the figure in 0. Okay, so surface area equals 1/2 times my perimeter. 64 times my slant height, 8.5, plus the area of my base. What is it? 256. Okay, so 1/2 times 64 times 8.5 gives me 272 even, plus 256 gives me 528, yep, 8 squared. Horrible? No, it shouldn't be. Okay. Let's look at, we do need to look at one triangular base. Yeah, let's look at 4. Okay. So surface area equals 1/2. It's right here. This is your base. What's that? Oh. Okay, just a triangle on top. Okay, what's my perimeter? 30, yep, because it's 10 by 10 by 10. Times, does it give me my slant height? Yep, 6.7. Alright, plus, now I have to find the area of that guy. Okay? And this guy right here is telling you the height of your triangle. Okay? So to find the area of my triangle is 1/2 times 8.7 times 10. 43.5. Okay. So 1/2 times 30 times 6.7. 125. 125 plus 43.5 gives me 144 inches squared. Okay, not bad, right? All right, so let's look at the cones, because we all love circles. We all love circles. Don't hate circles. Circles are fun. Okay, you get to draw a cute little pie sign, and that makes my day. Alright, so surface area equals 1/2 times the perimeter of my triangle. Perimeter is the same as circumference. Come on, you guys were going to go home and you were going to study those formulas last night. 14 pi, 2 pi r. Times, what's my slant height? 11.4. Plus the area of my base. No! What? 49 pi. Come on, guys. You have to know these. Okay? No, it's not. We're kind of past the point of it being funny. Because you guys, I've told you, I don't know how many times you need to know circumference and area studying, but you have to know them. Not optional. Okay, so 14 times 11.4 divided by 2. So 79.8 pi plus 49 pi so 128.8 pi. Now go through and multiply 128.8 times your pi. Whatever the directions say in your assignment, which I think, what does it say direction? I'm already on that. Here's 100, so let's go 100. Okay? Let's take a look at 9. Because what piece of information are we missing in 9? We need the radius, yep. How can I find my radius? The Pythagorean theorem. I'm not going to bore you with it. Unless you need me to. Do we need another refresher on the Pythagorean theorem? Am I looking for hypotenuse